So here's how to stream on Kick with mobile phone. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Kick application on your mobile phone. Now you will be able to view interface like this. Here you have to click on the profile option at the bottom right corner. To start your live stream on Kick, you have to simply create an account first. You can also sign into your Kick account using your Google account. After signing into your account, now you have to again click on the profile option and then you can be able to view the option of settings here. Now as you can see on Kick mobile app, you will not be able to view the settings. To view the settings option, you have to simply go to your Google Chrome browser. Then you have to open your Kick account there. Now you have to simply accept these terms and conditions. Here you have to again click on the profile option at the bottom right corner. Now as you can see, you will be able to view the option of settings. Click on it. Then click on the stream URL and the key. Here you have to simply copy this stream key or URL and give it to your contributors. Connect your Kick app to the desktop version of it. Now you will be able to successfully stream on Kick app.